Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Well, here on my desk, as you can see, we have an Apple device that literally nobody has talked about in almost over 2 years. This is the original M2 Apple Vision Pro that, believe it or not, I've had since launch day, and I've been using the Solo Knit Band, as you can see here. I love this band. I never had any issue with it in regards to too much weight or too much pressure on my nose. They did include, if you remember, a different band with a top strap as well as a back strap, but I found that the other band that was included in the box put too much pressure on my nose. So I stuck with the Solo Knit Band, believe it or not, since launch day, and I've never had any kind of comfortability issues with it. But with the release of the M5 Vision Pro, they released a brand new band. This is the Vision Pro Dual Knit Band, and it launched alongside the new M5 Apple Vision Pro. But as you can see, you can purchase it separately, and it is compatible with the original M2 Vision Pro, which I have here. So I'm going to be trying out this dual knit band and seeing if it's any more comfortable than the Solo Knit Band that came with the original Vision Pro. For the 12 people that bought the original Vision Pro and the 3.25 people that bought the ridiculous, barely a refresh M5 Vision Pro, at least you can buy this new band for $100 with your $3,500 outdated M2 Vision Pro. Or you just get it included in the box with the M5 Vision Pro. But fun fact, with the M5 Vision Pro, you do not get the second band like you did with the original one. With the original one, at least you got the dual loop band, I think it was called, and the Solo Knit, and now here we have the dual knit band. I will say that this box does not feel like an Apple box. It feels very hollow, very cheap, other than this nice reflective top here. This box does not feel solid at all. Here we have the medium size, and they have small, medium, and large. Here we have the medium. Here we have an orange pull tab. For some reason, the Vision Pro has orange pull tabs, and I believe the old iPods used to as well. Let me know what the difference is between the orange and the green pull tab. Nice, satisfying peel, I will say that. I don't think I've ever seen an Apple box open like this. Sliding it out of the box here. Let's open this up, shall we? Fold this back, pull this up, fold this over. And man, check this out. They got a full-ass color picture of some new lady. Kind of looks like the lady from Severance, doesn't it? Miss Casey, Mark's wife. Kind of looks like her a little bit, doesn't it? I don't know. Alright, here we have the dual knit band. Right off the bat, it is very heavy. Apparently they have some kind of counterweights in the fabric to help better distribute the weight. I can tell you already, I can feel the weight difference compared to the original Solo Knit Band. This is so much heavier than the old one. Here you have your top strap, which is thinner because it's on the top of your head. And we have the back strap. Now we still have the spinny dial as before, but now apparently you pull it out and you spin to adjust the top, and then you push it in and spin to adjust the back. So pretty cool. You can have two different adjustments, top and bottom, just by pulling it out, spinning it to adjust the top, pushing it in, spinning it to adjust the bottom. As before, we still have the same locking mechanism with the orange pull tab to release the little piece that latches. See that little piece? You pull this tab and that piece goes in. Alright, let's take our M2 Vision Pro, because once again, I refuse to buy the M5. Let's pull these orange tabs here. Let's say goodbye to our Solo Knit Band. Even though, like I said, I literally have no problem with that band. I actually think it's really comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. There we have our dual knit band on our M2 Vision Pro. And man, this back piece definitely has some weight in it. I mean, it is so heavy. Once again, you push in and twist to tighten or loosen the back. And then to adjust the top, you pull out and you twist to loosen or tighten it. Let me put this on here and I'll let you guys know how it feels. Yeah, I can tell you without a doubt, even though, like I said, I love my solo knit, that top strap and the weights that they have in the back strap make a huge difference. And this dual adjustable knob here is freaking awesome. So if you have the original Vision Pro and you don't want to buy the M5 but you want this new band, believe me, it makes a big difference in terms of comfortability. I only wore it for about 30 seconds and it feels like a completely different headset on your face in the best way possible. I'll throw up some B-roll of me wearing the dual knit band so you guys can see what it looks like on me. Let me know if you guys picked up the M5 Vision Pro, how you're enjoying it, how you're enjoying the new dual knit band. Let me know if you have the original Vision Pro and you purchased the dual knit band, or if you're gonna stick with your solo knit band or the dual loop band that came in the box with the original Vision Pro. This is a game changer for comfortability. I'm just gonna say it. Like I said, I love this band, but my God, this band just takes it up a notch. Wow. And with that, I'll see you guys later.
One eternity later.
Here's a look at the brand new dual knit band on my M2 Vision Pro. That's what it looks like. And here we have the dial. If you pull it out and turn it, you can tighten the top strap or loosen the top strap. If you push it in and turn it, you can tighten or loosen the back strap. This is very, very comfortable so far. By the way, to record this video, I'm using the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max front-facing camera, shooting horizontal video, holding my phone vertical thanks to the new square sensor 18 megapixel front-facing camera of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let me know how ridiculous I look in the comments. By the way, if you want to purchase this plastic protector for your Vision Pro to keep it free of scratches, because if you own a Vision Pro, you know how easy the front scratches, because there's a plastic layer over the glass layer. And as we know from Jerry Rig Everything, plastic scratches at a level 3, glass scratches at a level 6 or 7, or in the case of the iPhone 17s, scratches at a level 7, deeper grooves at a level 8. Very impressive. But yeah, if you guys want to purchase this, I'll have it linked in the description, Amazon, where you can go and purchase it. But here's one final look at the brand new dual knit band. I'm sure I look ridiculous. I'll see you guys later.